Pull up your original job description. Read it carefully. Half of it is probably already wrong. Not because you failed at it, but because the role moved and nobody sent a memo. The people struggling right now are not bad at their jobs. They're accurately doing a job that quietly stopped existing. AI is not changing work in one dramatic event. It's changing the bundle of tasks inside your role. Quietly, unevenly, continuously. Most people will keep a job, but they may not keep the same version of it. That is why mastering your job is no longer enough. The new skill is noticing when your job has changed underneath you. Here's the upgrade. Once a quarter, audit your actual work in 4 boxes. First, expanding. What is taking more time, requiring more judgment, or connecting directly to priorities leadership keeps repeating? That might be problem solving, client relationships, cross-functional decisions, or turning AI output into something useful. Next, disappearing. What used to fill half your week but can now be automated, templated, or simplified. Do not defend that work as proof of your value. Remove it deliberately, then decide what the recovered time is for. Third, migrating. Some work still matters, but the ownership is moving to an AI tool, an operations team, a specialist, or a vendor. Don't compete with the destination. Move up the value chain. Set requirements, judge quality, handle exceptions. Connect the system to the business need. And fourth, newly visible. This is where it gets interesting. Process redesign, risk judgment, quality control, and measurable productivity gains are now in leadership's line of sight. Make your contribution legible. The problem, your intervention, the tool, your judgment, the result. Take a manager whose AI tool drafts the weekly status report. Their value did not shrink. It moved from writing updates to spotting risks, coaching owners, and making decisions visible. So this week, list what filled your last 2 weeks. Put each task in one of those 4 boxes. Then choose one action for the next 90 days. Your job description is not a contract with the future. It is a historical snapshot. Don't defend the old map. Update it before someone else names the terrain for you.